Why settle for a doorbell that sounds so standard? Time to specialize and switch to the iChime, which can ring out almost any sound you want. First, pick your sound. Presets range from the snazzy to the seriously silly. Or make your own personalized greeting.
Hello. Hello.
You can even connect your MP3 player to it for your own special musical alert. That's a whole house ringtone. First, locate your boring old speaker and retire it. Then switch the plate with the iChimes. Hook up just a couple of wires and it's connected. Now you can change your doorbell sound as often as you want.
Master, there's someone at the door.
For $90, the iChime lets you give your doorbell some personalized pizzazz. You can even switch it to celebrate a season, like something spooky for the neighbors at Halloween.